this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something from Indonesia, and this is really unique. I'm stoked on this. So the company that makes these is called Suprama. They also make Best Wok, which was on the Ramen Raiders 2022 Instant Noodles of All Time, which is really cool. Congratulations. Awesome stuff. You got to try their mee goreng. They've got 3 varieties that are just like super good. This is corn vermicelli. And when I heard about this from them, they've got a lot of lines. They got Best Wok. They've got this Burung, Dara. This is their Doroku. But, yeah, they've got a lot of different ones. They've got one called, it's spelled U-R-A-I. Urai. So basically what you do is you take one of these vermicelli blocks, and I'm going to tell you right now, they are really delicate and thin. And there you go. That's what it looks like. And you drop it in boiling water for 2 minutes. Come on. Get in there. Do your thing. It says 2 minutes, right? Boiling water for 2 minutes or according to taste. Okay. Plus or minus. So we will do that. We want it to get totally submerged though. Here we go. And what I'm gonna do, I asked them if they would also send some seasoning, because this noodle doesn't come with any sachets or anything. And they sent this. They sent another one, which is a, I believe, an onion chicken. This is a mee goreng. So basically, once this is done cooking, I'm gonna drain it, put some oil in this pan, do up some mee goreng. So yeah, I'm really curious about this. It's what are all the benefits of this? It's fat-free, gluten-free. It is made out of corn. 2 minutes, huh? So far, it has yet to break. Oh, there you go. It's funny. I've had things like, oh, what was it? Instant macaroni from Hong Kong, and it said, oh, you cook it for 3 minutes, and it was just like 2 minutes have passed, and it's just like, I don't think these things are going to be done in 3 minutes. And then all of a sudden, something happens, and boom, they just like, they're doing as they should. So yeah. It's gonna be a hot stove today, because when I gotta use this front burner, things get a little out of hand. I'll be honest. I would like these a little extra soft. Yeah, let's see. Wow, I'm curious though. Corn noodles. I don't know if I've ever heard anything like that. Does it smell like corn? I don't really be able to smell it. But it says it's done. I'm gonna give it a few more seconds just to see what happens. Yeah, but it definitely looks to be done. I wonder if the consistency will be different from like rice vermicelli. I'm like, I've never had anything like this before, which is thrilling to me. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move you guys over here. Whoa, come on. There we go. Uh-oh, they're getting all riotous in there. Just gonna add a little bit of oil. Come on, just be a little bit. That works. think it said to add a whole bunch. So there's that. I'm gonna turn this on. I am kind of getting the corn hit off of that. Interesting. Alright. Dirty burner. Should have cleaned the burner first, but I don't think I'm going to have a chance to do that today. Because I got this one, then I've got a boiling one, and then I've got another one that I got to use a skillet for. Alright, let's give this a try. And the children aren't listening to Directive 1, which was, please, don't be so loud. Come on. There we go. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna see if I can get away with throwing some of this mee goreng seasoning straight in, and then I'll give it a few tastes and see if I can get a good level. It might have been a lot. I don't know. We'll find out. We will see. Okay, keep it down out there. No fighting. All right? All right. Can I get a response? All right, already. You know... looks interesting. I'm ready. I am ready to give this a try. I'm ready to turn this off too. Bihun jagung? Jagung? I don't know. A-U, A-E, A-O-U. It's kind of, maybe I just picked the wrong utensil to try to stir with. That's very, very possible. But I think this is about good enough. So I'm ready to give it a try. Let's check it out. Corn vermicelli. There you have it. Cheers, let's give it a try. Definitely the right amount of seasoning. This is good. I like the consistency of it. I definitely like. I think I like this. Yeah. See, this doesn't have the dryness that rice vermicelli generally has. It's a little. It's kind of like a cross between maybe like a mung bean thread and a rice vermicelli, whereas it's got the chew to it but it's way different than anything I've ever had, and I like it. So cool. I would recommend that. Absolutely. All right. Wow. Let's see here. So I am going to do the method that I've adopted, which is basically I put it into a cup, turn it over, and let the chips fall where they may, or the noodles in this case. When it got shipped, there was a box that never showed up, and then it showed up way late, and it was really beat up, and I opened it up. One thing I'll say is when you open this corn vermicelli, be careful, because these little bits will fly everywhere. But then again, if you're in Indonesia and you're getting this, probably a good chance that you were getting it at a store and it hasn't traveled halfway across the planet to get to you. So that's kind of the bonus. All right. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Clean these off real quick. Where am I going to put you? There's no room in my kitchen. Put you right there for now. You're good. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, wow. Standing tall. Look at that. That's pretty neat. One moment. Again. All right, real life continues. Look at that. That's neat. I like that. I gotta be honest. I really like that. I wonder. Oh, it's not perfectly centered. Can I center it a little better? Oh, that wouldn't work for the above shots. Oh. I was thinking I could make it perfectly centered. Ooh. Oh, no! I got a little too... That's what happens when you do too much thinking, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man. Yeah. It was such a beautiful thing, and then I had to do that extra bit of thinking, and now I've done what I did, and there's not much else I can do. Let's make this look a little better. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is neat stuff. I like it. I do. Put a little chicken with it. Some sauteed chicken. Ah, stop spinning. And some nice looking pieces of coriander. Fresh. Do I want to add anything else to this? I'm pretty excited about this right here. We got chicken, egg, coriander, and some nice mee goreng. Let's put on a better song. Well, thank you very much for watching. We're going to fly from Indonesia now to Taiwan. And this is little couples with their Alishan Oolong Tea dry noodles. Look at that. It's a special tea that's meticulously harvested in Chiayi, Taiwan. So this will be interesting. I've never had anything like this before either. So thanks to the folks over at Suprama Best Walk. Check it out. Corn vermicelli. Have a good one. Bye.